You feel it coming. The itch, the buildup, the sneeze. But you decide to be polite. You pinch your nose and close your mouth. Congratulations, you just turned your head into a pressure cooker. A sneeze travels at over 100 miles per hour. That massive wave of air has nowhere to go, so it bounces back. First, it slams back down your throat. The soft tissue stretches violently. Reep! It can actually tear a hole in your pharynx. Next, the pressure rushes upwards into your sinuses behind your eyes. Pop! Tiny blood vessels in your eyes burst under the strain. But the worst path, the eustachian tubes leading to your ears. Look at your eardrum. It's paper thin. It bulges outward. And boom! Ruptured eardrum. Hello, permanent ringing and hearing loss. Never hold it in. It's a natural explosion. Let it out. Aim for your elbow. Save your skull.